Bengaluru witnessed one of its most intense pre-monsoon storms in recent years, breaking the city's all-time April 24-hour rainfall record. The city recorded 111 millimeters of rainfall, surpassing the previous record of 108.6 millimeters set on April 19, 2001. What is usually considered a normal pre-monsoon shower in April turned into a severe thunderstorm that brought the city to a standstill by evening. The sudden downpour, accompanied by hail and strong winds, not only disrupted daily life but also led to a tragic loss of lives. At least 7 people, including a child, lost their lives after a compound wall near the emergency wing of Bowring Hospital collapsed during the heavy rain. Several parts of Bengaluru turned chaotic as central locations such as MG Road, Trinity Circle and the Mahatma Gandhi Road metro station witnessed heavy hailstorms. Hailstones piled up on roads, creating a white blanket-like cover and leaving many residents shocked. Low-lying areas such as Indiranagar, Koramangala, BTM Layout and areas near Jaideva Hospital experienced severe waterlogging. Roads turned into streams, with water levels reaching nearly 2 to 3 feet in some areas. Overflowing storm water drains, many clogged with leaves and debris, made the flooding situation worse. The city's already busy traffic system came to a near standstill during peak hours, forcing many commuters to leave their vehicles and switch to the metro to reach home safely. Strong winds added to the destruction. Trees fell in several areas. Roads leading to the airport reported disruptions, and in many parts of the city, electric poles were uprooted. This left residents shocked, worried, and dealing with property damage in some places. According to weather experts, the intense rain and hail were caused by strong convective activity. This happens when rising temperatures create instability in the atmosphere, causing warm air to rise rapidly and mix with moist air. Moisture inflow and a low-level wind discontinuity helped tall thunder clouds form quickly, resulting in thunderstorms, heavy rain, hail and strong winds. Wind speeds reportedly reached up to 75 kilometers per hour in some areas, making the storm even more severe. Although the India Meteorological Department had predicted that thunderstorms, the weather system shifted and intensified more than expected directly over Bengaluru. The IMD has now warned that the rain spell is not over yet. Moderate to heavy rainfall is likely again this evening, and residents have been advised to remain alert for possible flooding, traffic congestion and other weather-related problems. While the rain brought temporary relief from the recent heat wave, it also served as a strong reminder of how quickly weather conditions can change in Bengaluru during the pre-monsoon season, and how unprepared infrastructure can turn a sudden storm into a major disaster. Are we truly prepared for the sudden extreme weather like this? As heavy rains continue and more showers are expected, people must stay alert, avoid waterlogged areas, stay away from weak walls and trees, and ensure their safety first. Bengaluru's changing weather is a warning for everyone to remain cautious and prepared. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.